वो भी किसी का बच्चा है। He is also someone's child. He is also someone's child. मुझे लगता है। I think. I think. कौन जाने। Who knows. Who knows. वहाँ रविवार को बाजार लगता है। There is a market on Sunday. There is a market on Sunday. तुम किस कॉलेज में पढ़ती हो? Which college do you study in? Which college do you study in? मैं तुम्हें मना कर रहा हूँ। I am refusing you. I am refusing you. चिंता मत करो। Don't worry. Don't worry. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा। I don't understand. What difference will it make? I don't understand. What difference will it make? मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया। I somehow found out. I somehow found out. पर बाद में मुझे कुछ मत बोलना। But don't tell me anything later. But don't tell me anything later. हाँ मैंने किया। Yes, I did. Yes, I did. मैंने जूते उतारे। I took off my shoes. I took off my shoes. ये तुम्हारी किताब है ना? Is it your book, right? Is it your book, right? सावधानी हटी दुर्घटना घटी। A slip of a moment can turn into an accident. A slip of a moment can turn into an accident. कुछ मत कहो। Don't say anything. Don't say anything. वो अब कोई बच्चा नहीं रहा है। He is no longer a child. He is no longer a child. क्या कर रही हो तुम? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ। I am eating food. I am eating food. अभ्यास मनुष्य को परिपूर्ण बनाता है। Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. तुम उसे सिर चढ़ाती हो। You gave him a long rope. You gave him a long rope. वो दिखने नहीं चाहिए मुझे। They shouldn't be visible, understand? They shouldn't be visible, understand? बहुत देर हो गई है इसीलिए अब हम वापस जाना नहीं चाहते। It's too late so we don't want to go back now. It's too late so we don't want to go back now. अगर मुझे वहाँ रुकना भी पड़ा ना तो मैं रुकूंगा। Even if I have to stay there, I will stay. Even if I have to stay there, I will stay. सड़क पर मरम्मत चल रही है। Repairs are going on the road. Repairs are going on the road. मैं तुम्हारा क्या करूं? What should I do with you? What should I do with you? मेरे पास भी वैसा ही मोबाइल है जैसे आपके पास है। I also have the same mobile as you. I also have the same mobile as you. तुमने उन्हें घर लाकर सही किया। You did the right thing by bringing them home. You did the right thing by bringing them home. मैंने जो भी तुम्हारे साथ किया मैंने उसके लिए कभी अपने आप को माफ नहीं किया. I have never forgiven myself for what I did to you. I have never forgiven myself for what I did to you. रोहन कल ज़्यादा ही प्यार दिखा रहा था. Rohan was looking very cute yesterday. Rohan was looking very cute yesterday. पंखा चलते रहने दो. Keep the fan on. Keep the fan on. तुमने क्या खो दिया? What did you lose? What did you lose? झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. तुम शराबी हो. You are a drunkard. You are a drunkard. मुझे विश्वास है. I believe. I believe. साफ शब्दों में लिखो ताकि वो आसानी से समझ सके. Write in clear words so that he can understand easily. Write in clear words so that he can understand easily. क्या तुम जानते हो कि उसका इशारा क्या है? Do you know what his intention is? Do you know what his intention is? मुझ पर थोड़ा रहम करो. Have some mercy on me. Have some mercy on me. मुझे सब समझ में आ रहा है. I am understanding everything. I am understanding everything. बताओ मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ. Tell me what service I can do for you. Tell me what service can I do for you. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. You shouldn't say that. You shouldn't say that. अब तुम कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go now? Where will you go now? नाक साफ करो. Clean the nose. Clean the nose. ये सुनी सुनाई बात है. This is a hearsay thing. This is a hearsay thing. वह हमारा इकलौता बेटा है. He is our only son. He is our only son. आपसे कोई मिलने आया है. Someone has come to meet you. Someone has come to meet you. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया. I somehow found out. I somehow found out. ऐसी दुर्घटना मैंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में नहीं देखी. I have never seen such an accident in my entire life. I have never seen such an accident in my entire life. वो कितना भी देर से उठे फिर भी सुबह टहलने जाता है. No matter how late he wakes up, he still goes for a walk in the morning. No matter how late he wakes up, he still goes for a walk in the morning. अब मैं वहाँ नहीं रहता हूँ. Now I don't live there anymore. Now I don't live there anymore. गाड़ी रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. क्या आपको राशन मिल रहा है? Are you getting food stuff? Are you getting food stuff? मैं भी लालची नहीं हूँ. I am also not greedy. I am also not greedy. क्या तुम्हें उस पर गुस्सा नहीं आता? Don't you get angry at him? Don't you get angry at him? आपकी कितनी कमाई हुई? How much did you earn? How much did you earn? अगर मैं ज़्यादा खाऊंगा तो मोटा हो जाऊंगा. If I eat too much, I will become fat. If I eat too much, I will become fat. मैं बिना बुलाए किसी पार्टी में नहीं जाता. I don't go to any parties without being invited. I don't go any parties without being invited. जब तक मैं ये समझ पाता वो मेरी आंखों से ओझल हो गया. Before I could understand this, he had disappeared from my sight. Before I could understand this, he had disappeared from my sight. चलो ना आपका ना मेरा 100 में दे दो. Come on, let's split the difference and make it 100. Come on, let's split the difference and make it 100. मुझे पागल मत बनाओ. Don't make me crazy. Don't make me crazy. मेरे मुंह में छाला हो गया है. I have an ulcer in my mouth. I have an ulcer in my mouth. और कोई दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है. There is no other way. There is no other way. वह तुम्हें अपने प्यार के जाल में फंसा रही है. She is trapping you in the web of her love. She is trapping you in the web of her love. मैं 2015 तक दिल्ली में रहा. I lived in Delhi till 2015. I lived in Delhi till 2015. तकलीफ़ें बहुत कुछ बदल देती हैं. Suffering changes many things. Suffering changes many things. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो सच बोल रहा है. I don't think he is telling the truth. I don't think he is telling the truth. वो मायके में है. He is in his maternal home. He is in his maternal home. देखना कहीं वो गिर ना जाए. Make sure it doesn't fall down. Make sure it doesn't fall down. तुमने तो पहले कॉल किया था. You had called first. You had called first. मैं शायद सही हूँ. I am probably right. I am probably right. मैं शायद ही कभी मूवी देखने जाता हूँ. I rarely go to watch movies. I rarely go to watch movies. ये तो खुशी के आंसू हैं. These are tears of happiness. These are tears of happiness. अगर मुझे सच पता होता तो मैं तुम्हें बता चुका होता. If I knew the truth, I would have told you. If I knew the truth, I would have told you. वह टकला हो गया है. He has become bald. He has become bald. बिल्कुल नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. क्या आप यही ढूंढ रहे थे? Is this what you were looking for? Is this what you were looking for? मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. मेरा फ़ोन बज रहा है. My phone is ringing. My phone is ringing. बेड पर मत कूदो. Don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. ये कोई तरीका नहीं है बात करने का. This is no way to talk. This is no way to talk. तुम्हारे साथ कौन कौन है? Who is with you? Who is with you? तुम्हारे साथ कौन कौन था? Who was with you? Who was with you? मैं जीवन के उतार चढ़ाव से अवगत हूँ. I am familiar with the ups and downs of life. I am familiar with the ups and downs of the life. ज़्यादा रईस बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to become very rich. There is no need to become very rich. आपको सुनने में गलती हो गई है. You have made a mistake in listening. You have made a mistake in listening. काम की बात करो. Talk about work. Talk about work. मक्खियाँ भिन भिनाती हैं. The bees hum. The bees hum. वो कब उठता है? When does he get up? When does he get up? आपने ठीक से सुना नहीं. You didn't listen properly. You didn't listen properly. उसने सारा पैसा पचा लिया. He digest all the money. He digest all the money. दुनिया क्या कहेगी? What will the world say? What will the world say? आप आए बाहर आए. You came and brought happiness. You came and brought happiness. अगर तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारे पैसे हो तो तुम क्या करोगी? What would you do if you had a lot of money? What would you do if you had a lot of money? भगवान की कृपा से सब ठीक है. Everything is fine by the grace of God. Everything is fine by the grace of God. हवा में ठंडक है. There is a nip in the air. There is a nip in the air. तुमने उसको क्यों फटकारा? Why did you rebuke him? Why did you rebuke him? क्या आप नहीं जानते कि मैं कौन हूँ? Don't you know who am I? Don't you know who am I? अपने हाथ झाड़ो. Rub out your hand. Rub out your hand. फर्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे हम वहाँ जाएं या ना जाएं. It doesn't matter whether we go there or not. It doesn't matter whether we go there or not. अपना कपड़ा झाड़ो. Wipe out your cloth. Wipe out your cloth. आप ही तो मुझे समझते हो. Only you understand me. Only you understand me. इसमें क्या बुराई है? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? ठंडी हवा चल रही है. Cold wind is blowing. Cold wind is blowing. मैं जो करता हूँ वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I like what I do. I like what I do. उसने मुझे अनदेखा कर दिया. He ignored me. He ignored me. अच्छा हुआ कि तुम आ गई. It's good that you came. It's good that you came. रिश्ते खुद चलकर घर पर आएंगे. Relationships will come home on their own. Relationships will come home on their own. आपकी जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. The amount of praise you receive is less. The amount of praise you receive is less. ये केवल हमारा भ्रम है. This is only our illusion. This is only our illusion. मैंने ही उसे ये करने को कहा था. I was the one who asked him to do this. I was the one who asked him to do this. मैं भूतों से नहीं डरता. I am not afraid of ghosts. I am not afraid of ghosts. उसकी औकात क्या है आपके सामने? What is his status in front of you? What is his status in front of you? So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ ऐसे ही सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए